Today we stand on the threshold of a historic milestone as we celebrate our 70th anniversary. 7 decades is more than just a marker of time. It is a profound testament to our collective resilience, passion, and unwavering commitment to our mission. For us, excellence is not a static achievement of the past. It is an active, evolving standard that we redefine every single day in our classrooms, laboratories, and communities. Progress is never an accident. It is the fruit of shared vision and relentless hard work.